I'll adjust my feet to include.
Merely that one or two of the women may have been 17 and may have lied about their age or given them false documentation. He asked me, the defense attorney, to raise questions about the credibility of any witnesses. You know what's good for our client ethically and legally.
We started really on two.
Yeah, it did do something actually.
Len came to New York. Her whole world had fallen apart. Her father, who she was incredible.
Epstein was always someone whose name popped up, but couldn't really nail it down. He was a cipher.
In the 80s, after he was thrown out of Bear Stearns, I was the CEO of Tower.
James, he was the one who left.
Man, because he has credentials. Say he was